Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the science class. Let's start with the first chapter, Human Body, Circulatory System. Every living thing is made up of cells, just as walls are made up of bricks, a class is made up of students, or a book is made up of pages. In the same way, all living things are made up of cells. Cells combine together to make a tissue. Number of tissues form an organ like heart, lungs, stomach, etc. Many organs together make up an organ system. For example, heart, blood and blood vessels together form circulatory system. All the organ systems together make up an organism, that is our body. Now we will try to understand the organ system with the example of a house. As a house is made up of bricks, number of bricks together make up a wall, number of walls join together to make a room, and number of rooms together build a house. In the same way, cells join together to make up a tissue, tissues join together to make up an organ, number of organs form an organ system, and different organ systems form an organism. I hope now you understand clearly the organ system. The next thing we will take up is circulatory system. What is circulatory system? The organ system that circulates blood and transports nutrients, water and oxygen in the body and also removes wastes such as carbon dioxide is called circulatory system. Circulatory system has three parts: heart, blood and blood vessels. Let's first discuss about the blood vessels. Our heart needs a network to send the blood to all parts of the body. This network is known as blood vessels. Blood vessels are thin tube-like structures which carry blood in the body. There are three kinds of blood vessels in our body: arteries, veins and capillaries. Arteries are red-colored blood vessels that carry oxygen-rich blood from the heart to various organs. Each artery gets divided into arterioles to form a network throughout the body. The largest artery in our body is the aorta, which is the main artery coming out of the heart. Veins are blue-colored blood vessels that carry carbon dioxide-rich blood from the different organs to the heart. They are thinner than the arteries. Each vein divides into smaller venues which form a network throughout the body. Vena cava are large veins that return deoxygenated blood from the body into the heart. Capillaries are the thinnest of the three blood vessels that connect the arteries to veins. The capillaries reach inside the tissues and exchange of gases, nutrients, and wastes between the blood and tissues takes place here. We can compare the blood vessels with the pipes in a water treatment facility. The pump that drives the blood through the vessels is the heart. Just as large water mains divide into smaller and smaller pipes, the large blood vessels divide into smaller and smaller vessels so that each cell in the body is touching tiny blood vessels. On the way back to the heart, blood vessels merge together into larger veins. Blood gets cleaned during each round trip and is made ready to use again and again. So students, I hope you all have understood the organ system and blood vessels. Complete the assignments 1 and 2 and learn. We will meet again in the next class. Till then, thank you.